Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today, I present to you a captivating video showcasing incredible ideas. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty, elegance, and attraction of these pixie haircut ideas. That are sure to capture your heart. So, ladies and women, get ready to embark on a journey filled with the enchantment of these hairstyles. Are you ready to be inspired? This year, we bring you the hottest trends in pixie haircuts, tailored exclusively for you. These styles are meticulously crafted to make a lasting impression, leaving you feeling confident, energetic, fabulous, and prepare for an incredible hair transformation. Ladies, get ready to witness the utter beauty and elegance of mesmerizing pixie haircuts. Each style is a masterpiece designed to make you fall head over heels in love with them. From modern to elegant, this collection offers something for everyone. Oh, and don't worry, if English is not your first language, I apologize if my English is not perfect, but fashion is a universal language that transcends words. Just marvel at the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will elevate your style game to new heights, empowering you with confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning pixie haircuts you have ever laid your eyes upon. Let's now delve into the kingdom of the extraordinary charm that grayish, whitish, blackish, and brownish colors grant upon your hairs. Picture the luster that awaits as your hair embraces these breathtaking colors. The fusion of black and gray evokes a timeless attraction, exuding sophistication and a touch of enchantment. These are the embodiment of hair styling ideas, reserved exclusively for your delight. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it will not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Grayish color, whitish color, blackish and brownish colors. These are just a few of the magnificent colors that can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your look adding depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully chosen shades are meant to complement your features. Prepare to be astonished by the transformation. These pixie cuts have the ability to take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and gorgeous look. Witness the magic as your hair goes from ordinary to extraordinary. You will be amazed by the impact these hairstyles create. As you watch this video, you will notice the stunning range of colors that can transform your short hair into a true work of art. From classic black to warm browns, there's a color to suit your unique style and complement your skin tone. Experimenting with different hair colors can be a fun and exciting way to express your individuality and stand out from the crowd. Unleash your inner fashionista. Short haircuts. Whether you want a chick bob, a pixie cut, or any other short haircut, don't forget to give this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Ladies and gentlemen, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. And until we met again, may you remain fabulous and continue to shine brightly. See you in the next video.